I'm trying to watch my diet as best I can. But, it's a gift, so let's try. Why not? I'm going to just take a bite.
Guys, starting from tomorrow, which is 14th of September 2024, we're going to have Mid-Autumn Festival in China. It happens every year now for the centuries. China celebrates this Mid-Autumn Festival, and during the festival they eat mooncakes. And it's customary to exchange this kind of gifts among companies, individuals. So in front of me here we have two boxes which are sent by our partner companies. This one here, the orange one, from our banking partner. The second one here from our Visa company, Visa partner basically, to appreciate the business relationship. So I'm going to open them and let's see what's inside. By the way, before I open this, I would like to thank Mr. Young from our banking partner and Rebecca from the Visa company. Really appreciate your assistance and collaboration with us. So let's see inside, guys. I'm going to open them one by one, and let's see the mooncakes inside. So first we're gonna start with this beautiful orange bag. It's got a handle as well. You can see here. So wow. Okay, so I opened it upside down. So there we go, guys. Wow, that's a beautiful gift. Actually, it's not a moon cake, but it's a customized, so to speak, like a cup, and like a for warm water, warm beverages, warm or cold, and then a mug. It's also custom mug here with their company brand. And what do we have here? This one is very beautiful. Financial. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, this is actually, I think it might be tea actually, or wow. Okay, so basically it's a little decoration toy. There we go. Here for the table, I guess. But yeah, I thought it's a mooncake because I didn't open it. But it's even better than that because I'm not a big fan of mooncakes, to be honest with you, because they are too sweet. And of course, I'm trying to watch my diet as best as I can. I'm not really good at it, but still, trying to watch my diet. So, this is from the banking partner. Really beautiful gifts. Thanks again, Mr. Young. So, let's open the second box, which is from Rebecca. Thank you, Rebecca, once again for your thoughtful gift. But I think this looks like a mooncake. I think so. Let's see. It's a bit heavy as well. So, beautiful box. And how do we open it? I think I need to. All right. Oh yeah, I guessed it right. So beautiful, different types of mooncakes, guys. Here we go. Let me show you one by one. It's there we go. Pumpkin shape, and also like a flower shape. Because basically like 6 types of mooncakes. Yeah, beautiful. Let me just show all of them. There we go, guys. Very beautiful mooncakes, and I think it's got 2 layers. So I'm going to try to open the second layer as well. Wow. All right. I think I need to pull it. Oh yeah. The second layer is, it's a very thoughtful gift, Rebecca. Once again, thank you very much. Looking forward to long and prosperous cooperation. No, actually it's not tea. These are also traditional mooncakes. Okay, there we go. These are mooncakes. I've got 2 in each box. These are more like modern, probably like different shaped mooncakes. But these are the traditional ones that you get. They are really sweet. And this is what you get, guys. During Mid-Autumn Festival, you've got all the different types of mooncakes. You can purchase them. You can get them everywhere, basically. And usually they are boxed like that, very traditional and beautifully wrapped as gifts. So when you come to China, you start your company. This is one of the traditions to follow. Beautiful tradition, I love it. And this is kind of to strengthen the relationship between people and companies. All right, let's try them. My daughter tried them one by one, but I was just recording this video and then I forgot to try actually, so I want to try it now. Let's see this flower shape. Like I said, I'm trying to watch my diet as best as I can, but it's a gift, so let's try. Why not? I'm going to just take a bite. There we go. It's extremely sweet. Actually, when I came to China first time, 2011, 2012, I really liked these cakes. I was looking for this holiday every year. Went to a supermarket, and back then I didn't have any business contacts, so nobody was giving gifts. I went to the supermarket. I used to go to the supermarket and buy them and myself, and they are really good with coffee actually. So I used to have them in my house every day for coffee specifically. See the texture inside, really good actually. I recommend it. It's got taste of, I don't know how to describe. It's like a taste like a flower, really unique, taste. This is a traditional one. Let's try this. They're really good. I need coffee. I'm a coffee person, by the way. Okay, so break. I don't want to smash it. I don't know what flavor is this, but then that's what I told you before. I tried to watch my diet, but these things, it's so sweet. Wow. I'll make a coffee, so I'm going to see you guys next time, alright? Cheers. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Alright, stay tuned for more videos on doing business in China, opening a company, liquidating, applying for different licenses, and JR and Firm here to assist. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next one.